This chart, it doesn't lie. Everything will change for Bitcoin sooner, guys. Yes, my friend, everything will change. To know what else we're talking about, make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of that video. As you see, guys, the daily candle here, it finished today Bitcoin after we been 2 days falling down. Today only one candle, it go back to that 100k, and also we told you that, but till now, guys, we haven't broken that inside bar as we show you before, if you remember it. By the way, guys, before we continue, I want that video to reach to 100 like, and know you can do it, so please, my friend, those days I see you don't supporting us, guys, please smash that like button which is down. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Us in Tuesday we enter along as you see it here, guys. We enter it as you see here, 10 of month 12 2024. We enter that long. What happened today? Our first take profit, it being hitted as you see it, and we moving stop loss to entry point. Now also we are risk free. If the market going to dump, we're going to close it. If the market going to continue more upward, we taking extra free profit. So if you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is down in description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in our Patreon. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, my friend, any problem to join us, you can text me either here in Patreon or in the free Discord, and we're going to solve those problems for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as I told you today, the daily candle here is pushing the Bitcoin again to 100k, but we haven't broken yet the top of that inside bar and the lower of it as you see it here. So till now as we still sideways above and down, and I will not get surprised if we saw the Bitcoin again dumping to that 95k or something like that, because also we are in a sideways level. But the good news till now was we still in a up channel. If you remember it, that up channel as we show you before, not the up channel. We touch the lower of it here, and now we are going to go to touch the top of that up channel here exactly at 108k. So everything still looking bullish for Bitcoin. And also we told you that, for you to enter a short, it's need the Bitcoin to fall down to break down here that level of 91k. So it's left for it more room if the Bitcoin going to dump. But guys, also we still in the middle of a bull run. Yes, we got a huge number of stop losses here. Every time we came to that level of 100k, they don't want the Bitcoin to pass that, but we still in our place because people, they are not going to sell and no one want to sell. Everyone holding Bitcoin, it's still holding it. Is only those retail traders and those New York Stock Exchange traders, they buy Bitcoin spot and they try to short it in future. But yesterday, as I show you, the funding rate, it's being very low. That's why we saw the Bitcoin today pumping again. So everything still looking great. There is no need to get scared, no need to sell your Bitcoin. It's still very early for you to thinking of to sell your Bitcoin, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF plus Bitcoin heat map. So let's go in there to see it together. Here we are, guys, the Bitcoin ETF. As you see, yesterday we show you all those things. Today here, what happened? Look at it here. We buy our friend Grayscale, they buy 200 Bitcoin. ARK Investment today, they bought 545 Bitcoin. BITB, they bought 126 Bitcoin. Grayscale Mini, they bought 162 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin being bought today, 1.04 4K, but the most important ones, BlackRock and Fidelity, they haven't, or we don't got the data of them. And also we told you that, if you remember, look at that 2 here, how many days they keeping accumulating. And yesterday, BlackRock, they bought 3K Bitcoin, Fidelity, they bought 2.16K Bitcoin. As you see them, all the days they are green. ARK Investment, they sold some days and some days they buy, but our friend Grayscale, he's still bearish, he's still dumping the Bitcoin, but he dumped here in Grayscale and he bought in Grayscale Mini. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin liquidity heat map. So let's go in there to see it together. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin heat map here. And yesterday we used to be down here, exactly here. By the way, that one is it for 48 hours. That's why it showed like that. We used to be here and we used to told you we don't got a lot of stops down here, places where we used to have stops above here. And what happened? Bitcoin doing exactly like how us we told you. It went above, it liquidated all those ones they used to be above. Now at that time when us we recording, because there is one of two, it's going to be a huge pump and Bitcoin is going to push more higher. That first scenario. Second scenario, also we are in a sideways level. If we are in a sideways level, there is no more stops above here. The place we got a lot of stops is it down here. Look at it, guys. So if we are in a sideways level, I will not be surprised the Bitcoin is going to fall down to liquidate all those ones they are down here. Even that one, it's possible, guys. Now what shall you do? You wait in. If the Bitcoin going to break that double top here, we're going to show it to you in reaching there. So I think I explained everything. I was going to see it coming news of today, because even today we got very important news. So let's go in there to see it. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, that the news we got today, as you see it here, we got interest rate decision of the Eurozone is going to come at 115. That one is going to affect the cryptocurrency, so you need to be careful. Interest rate decision of the Eurozone is going to affect a little bit the cryptocurrency. We got initial jobless claim plus PPI. Even that PPI here, that one is very important. That is inflation data of USA, plus what we got, and the most important one at 1:45 GMT time, we got that Crystal Lagarde of ECB press conference. She's going to come to talk to us, to tell us the monetary policy of the Eurozone and those things. Even that one, you need to be careful about it, what she's going to say about cryptocurrency. If there is some new laws they are going to do about cryptocurrency or something like that, so you need to be careful about what she's going to say. I think I explained everything. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, what it's telling us. Today, US indices or US stock market, Nasdaq, SP 500, Dow Jones, all of them, they closing the day green, unless the Dow Jones, it closed red, but not a lot, but Nasdaq and the SP, they move today. Our friend down here, the VIX, it fell down from 14, now we are 13.58. We are closer to the top, guys, so you need to be careful. That's why I told you maybe we're going to see a dump, so you need to be careful. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going to see Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, so let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here, if you remember in yesterday, before yesterday, we used to told you guys there is no short, and also we still in the range of that up channel as we show you before here, as you see that the up channel, and actually the Bitcoin gave us here pin bars in that 50 moving average. What happened today? Today we pump again. Now we are in that last high here, that one here. Now what the view? Me personally, I'm thinking is going to go back to hit the top of the channel exactly here at 108k. If that going to happen, that the first scenario, second scenario from that level here where we are, as I show you in the heat map, maybe we're going to fall down again. Even that one, it's possible, guys. Why me? I'm thinking maybe we're going to fall down, because if you're looking with me here at the normal RSI, we still have here that divergence, guys. That divergence is very important to be broke, because we need the RSI to come to break it for us to thinking of the market is going to continue more upward, but the moving average averages, they still only in an uptrend. That way me, I don't short it even in smaller time frames. I keep them every time. I'm waiting the corrections to make like that for me to buy again, and that's what us we doing, and that's what us every time we telling you. If you want our day trading signals, you can join our VIP Discord. Now let's see the levels. You need to look close at them here in the Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Levels, you need to look close at them here in the Bitcoin. That level also we are very close to it. 102, 603. The top level is exactly here at 110, 696, and that one down here 95, 486. That level we bounced from it. Even we got another one down here 90, 808. So those ones the levels you need to look at them today. If anything happen, we're going to come to show you new levels. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum in the 4 hours, he gave us here a new up channel. How we started from that high here and the one here and that low here and the one here. Now what the view, because if you remember what else we used to tell you here, we used to tell you guys, also we just touch a very stronger level, yes or no? We touch it here. Look the Ethereum what it's doing now. It give you even here a double bottom here. The only thing me I don't day trade the Ethereum. The Ethereum is only for long term. I've been saying that thousands of times here in that channel. What the view now? The view now, look at it. You got here like a downtrend. You see it here. How it started from that one, and you wait in that one. If it's getting broke, man, the Ethereum is going to go back to touch the top of that channel exactly at 4,300. If we break in the downtrend, we are going to 4,300, guys. That's the first scenario for short. If the Ethereum fall down and break in here, it's going to fall down more than that. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, we still have here the divergence downtrend here. You see it how I draw it here with white. Even that one, we need to come to break it, guys, for us to know the Ethereum is going to change from the divergence as we have. Yes, as we fall down to that low here last time, from here as we buy, same thing now, it fall down to that low here, and now it enter to the place where the bulls they're controlling. But we need to break that downtrend here, that one here, as I show you here in the chart. It need to be broke, guys. If we break it here in our indicator, that the first confirmation, then we need to wait in the chart if we break it for us to enter more long. And me thinking the Ethereum is going to go to that 4,300. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. If you remember, there is a thumbnail here, a video in our channel when the Bitcoin gave us here that pin bar, exactly that one. That one here. Also, we told you guys, Bitcoin is going to go back to touch the top here exactly at 108k. What happened, guys? Look at it. He tried to break it again. He touched it twice. It give you here like a smaller price action. Look at it where it is now. Now you are in a very stronger level, guys. You see it? That the first time, second time, and now we are the third time we touching it. Maybe even from here it's going to fall down. That way me I told you when we show you the head map, maybe it's going to fall down unless if we got volatility. Yes, we are going to go to 108k because that level here we touch it 3 times. Let's see if we are going to break it. Even now Bitcoin it gave us here in 4 hours a pin bar. Let's see what's going to happen here. If the market gave us in smaller time frames a price action, maybe we're going to catch a short because us we are in a very stronger level. But for us to enter a short, we need a price action. So us we still waiting it. I'm talking here about smaller time frames. But here for 4 hours, me I thinking maybe it's going to make a correction. But us we are going to go to touch the top of that channel because the market, look at it, guys, it's working like that. It touches here, fall down, touch it down, touch it up, fall down, touch it again. Now it's going to go to touch the top of that channel. That's how is the market working, guys. The only thing, there is a divergence. I'm going to show it to you when we're reaching there. Another very important thing here in 4 hours, let me show it to you, is it that one here. If you remember, we used to be here, we told you guys the Bitcoin is going to reverse, Bitcoin is going to reverse. What happened? Look where we are now at that level here. Now what the view, I'm waiting what's going to happen if we are going to break that level here or no, because that level guys, that one here of 100k or 101k, it need to be broke. That one here, it need to be broke because we touch it first, second, third. Now let's see if the 20 moving average going to follow again and we go back to a long. If not, we are in a sideways level like how it happened all those times guys. Look at it. Now we are in a distribution level. We don't know if the Bitcoin going to continue more upward or that one is just a distribution level or the Bitcoin to reverse down. So as we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. Now we're going to see our indicator it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator guys, as you see it, enter again to the place where the bulls they controlling, but we haven't break that divergence trend line as we told you. That one here, it need to be broke guys for us to know the Bitcoin is going to continue more upward. If we haven't, tell now there is nothing. If you remember in yesterday video and if you watch in yesterday video, we told you guys from here last time as we bounce and look at it, we touch it, same thing going to happen, same thing happen. Now we need to break that 101k level for us to know the Bitcoin is going to continue upward. The good things here in our indicator, as we enter again to a place where the bulls the controlling, that means us official we are in an uptrend. Unless if the market give us in smaller time frames a price action or something like that, maybe we're going to enter a short. So I think I explained everything. If you want more in-depth analysis, you want to ask us to chat to us, you can join our VIP Discord. We're giving there daily signals that of course if you are interested my friend, now let's go into see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in yesterday video, if you watch in yesterday video, in the thumbnail of the video we used to show you that one here, that downtrend here, and we told it's getting broke here. Look at it, it's getting broke here. Tell where guys, you see it or no? Another very important thing is it that double bottom here, that why us we enter based on that double bottom. Look, tell where guys, you see it? That's why us every time we telling you guys, if you want to make money without bias, without nothing, you can join our VIP Discord now here. Look at that level I just show you in the 4 hours. Look at it here, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it, that the first time, second time, and now we are the third time here. Should we enter a short? You can come here now and you do like that, a uptrend like that, and you try to catch a short. If it's getting broke, that the first thing, look at it like that. Let me zoom it like that to show you more. That the uptrend guys, if it's getting broke here, you can catch another short to go with it more down. At the first scenario, second scenario is that double top here, that one here, that's what me I'm looking at. That one here, if it's getting broke here, you can catch another short to go back with it down. Even that one it's possible guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in Bitcoin. Our indicator guys, look at it, you got here a divergence here, very clear divergence. That's why me I'm waiting. If the market going to give me a short, I'm going to enter in it. Plus even that one is it at the extreme overbought area. So what we need the price action confirmation for us to enter a short. If the market give us that, we are going to enter a short guys. So I think I explained everything to you. So that's it for that video, and please guys make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if it's possible share that video with your friend and your family. You done it? Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.